Look around you. How many objects do you really notice?
What if simple objects could teach powerful English? With one object, a sentence is born. With two, meaning becomes clearer. By three, English feels more natural.
Four objects help your memory grow.
With five, you start thinking in English.
Six simple objects, no confusion. At 7, learning feels easy. With 8, your confidence builds. By 9 and 10, words come faster. Let's learn English, one object at a time.
There is one tree outside the classroom. I can see two birds in the sky.
She picked 3 flowers from the garden.
There are 4 chairs in the room.
I placed 5 books on the desk. We have 6 pencils on the table. We have 6 pencils on the table. Seven apples are in the basket.
I counted 8 windows in the building.
There are 9 stars visible tonight. I saw 11 cars on the street. There are 12 cups in the kitchen. She owns 13 bags. We need 14 plates for dinner. There are 15 toys in the box. I found 16 stones near the river. 17 objects help us practice English. Thank you for learning today. We'll see you in the next lesson. Have a great day.